Welcome back to our channel. If you like discovering useful Amazon products that make life easier, you're in the right place. Today we're looking at some of the best home and kitchen gadgets people are buying right now. These products help with storage, cleaning, cooking, and everyday convenience. All product links are in the description, so you can check them out anytime. Let's get started. Fold Flat Dish Drying Rack. It's a two-tier drying rack made for anyone who wants a clean and organized kitchen counter. The frame is sturdy aluminum, so it doesn't rust and stays lightweight. The drain board at the bottom guides water straight into the sink, which helps keep your counter dry. You can collapse the whole rack flat when you're not using it, which is perfect for small kitchens or tight spaces. It holds plates, bowls, cups, and even larger cookware without wobbling. If your current rack keeps cluttering your counter, this one solves that by giving you more space and better drying. It's simple, clean-looking, and easy to store. Extra large moving bags. These oversized storage totes give you a smart way to pack and move without the hassle of boxes. They're heavy-duty, so they won't tear even when loaded with clothes, bedding, toys, or random home items. The visible window makes it easy to see what's inside, which saves time when unpacking. The wraparound handles help distribute weight evenly, so carrying them feels lighter. They fold flat when empty, which means they don't take up extra space. If you struggle with clutter or need an easier way to store seasonal items, these bags are a solid upgrade. They're reusable, strong, and perfect for moving or organizing your home. Kingboard Small Ironing Board. It's a compact tabletop board that's ideal for quick ironing sessions at home or while traveling. It comes with two heat-resistant covers that help your clothes stay smooth while protecting the board surface. The built-in iron holder keeps your iron steady, so you don't have to worry about it slipping. The non-slip feet keep the board stable on any table or counter. If you don't have space for a full-size ironing board, this one solves the problem by folding easily and storing anywhere. It's lightweight but strong enough for daily use. A great pick for apartments, dorms, RVs, or anyone who wants simple and fast ironing. Dreo Space Heater Indoor. It's a fast-heating portable heater designed for bedrooms, offices, and large indoor spaces. The built-in thermostat keeps the room at the temperature you choose, while the 3 heating modes let you adjust warmth the way you like it. The heater includes tip-over and overheating protection, so it's safe for kids and pets. The remote control lets you change settings without getting up. If your room gets cold in winter or you want to save money by heating only one area, this heater makes it easy. It warms the room quickly, runs quietly, and keeps you comfortable without taking much space. Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. It's a powerful cleaning tool that makes scrubbing bathrooms, tiles, tubs, and floors much easier. The extendable handle lets you clean without bending, which helps reduce back pain. You can adjust the angle to reach corners and tight spots. It comes with 8 brush heads for different surfaces, so you can tackle grout, glass, sinks, and more. The smart display shows battery life and speed levels. Since it's cordless, you can move freely around the house. If scrubbing by hand takes too long or hurts your wrists, this cleaner solves that problem by doing the hard work for you with strong rotation power. Portable Standing Desk Adjustable Height. It's a rolling desk that adjusts in height so you can sit or stand while working. The wheels make it easy to move around your home or office. It works well for laptops, tablets, or even as a mobile writing table. If you want better posture or need a flexible workspace, this desk helps a lot. The surface is sturdy and gives enough room for your device and essentials. It's great for small home offices, living rooms, or shared spaces. Instead of sitting all day, you can switch positions whenever you want, which helps reduce back and neck strain. Artificial Maple Tree for Fall. You get 2 24-inch artificial maple trees with warm LED lights that bring a cozy autumn look to any room. They run on batteries and have a built-in timer, so you can set them and forget them. The leaves and acorns look realistic and add a soft glow at night. These trees work well for fall decor, Thanksgiving setups, or even year-round if you like warm lighting. They're easy to place on tables, shelves, or entryways. If you want to add charm and seasonal warmth to your home, these light-up trees are a simple and beautiful choice. Nuwave Portable Air Purifier. It's made for large rooms and includes a display that shows real-time air quality. The true HEPA filter removes dust, smoke, pet hair, pollen, and other airborne particles. The device is quiet enough for bedrooms and powerful enough for living rooms. The smart sensor adjusts the fan speed automatically based on how dirty the air is. It's portable, so you can move it between rooms. A great pick if you want fresher, healthier air without much maintenance. 72-inch large ceiling fan with lights. It's a large indoor-outdoor fan with a modern black design that fits living rooms, patios, and big kitchens. The quiet DC motor runs smoothly and offers 6 speed levels, so you can control airflow easily. The built-in light adds bright and even lighting to the room. The reversible motor lets you circulate warm air in winter and cool air in summer. If your room feels stuffy or your old fan doesn't move enough air, this one gives strong performance and better comfort. It's stylish, powerful, and a great upgrade for large spaces. Personal Magic Bullet Blender. It's a small and handy blender that's perfect for smoothies, sauces, shakes, and quick meal prep. The 11-piece set includes cups and lids, which makes blending and carrying drinks simple. It's easy to use. Just push, twist, and blend. The motor is strong enough for fruits, vegetables, and even nuts. If you want a fast way to make healthy drinks or small recipes without using a big blender, this one is ideal. It's compact and fits easily in any kitchen. Cleaning is quick because the cups rinse fast and go straight into the dishwasher. Oversing Roll-Up Dish Drying Rack. It's a simple tool that makes kitchen cleanup easier by giving you extra counter space without taking any room to store. It's made from stainless steel wrapped in silicone, so it stays strong, rust-free, and slip-resistant. You can place it over your sink to dry dishes, rinse produce, or cool hot pans. When you're done, just roll it up and store it in a drawer. If your kitchen feels crowded or your drying rack takes too much space, this design solves the problem. It stays in place, handles heavy cookware, and keeps your counters clear and tidy with almost no effort. Feppo Steam Mop and Handheld Steamer. It's a 2-in-1 cleaner that works as both a floor steamer and a handheld steamer for detailed cleaning. It heats up quickly and uses high-temperature steam to remove dirt, grease, and stains without using chemicals. The 10-in-1 attachments help you clean floors, carpets, grout, windows, kitchen appliances, and more. If mopping feels tiring or you want a cleaner way to sanitize surfaces, this tool helps a lot. The steam makes floors shine and removes stuck-on messes faster than regular mops. It's lightweight, easy to move, and great for homes with pets or kids. A solid choice for deep cleaning around the house. Conair Handheld Garment Steamer. It's a compact clothes steamer built for quick touch-ups and strong wrinkle removal. The Turbo Extreme Steam feature pushes powerful steam that penetrates fabrics fast, making clothes look fresh in minutes. It works on shirts, curtains, jackets, upholstery, and more. If you hate waiting for an iron to heat up or dealing with a big ironing board, this steamer solves that problem with simple handheld use. It heats up quickly, has a comfortable grip, and is lightweight enough for travel. A great tool to keep at home if you want your clothes to look neat without much effort. Round Side End Table. It's a small 2-tier table that fits perfectly beside a bed, sofa, or reading corner. The top surface holds lamps, drinks, or decor, while the bottom shelf gives extra storage for books and small items. It's easy to assemble and sturdy enough for daily use. If you live in a small apartment or want a light table for your living room, this one fits nicely without taking much space. The simple design blends well with most home styles. It's practical, affordable, and adds a clean look to any room. A great pick for people who want functional decor without a bulky setup. Koil Luxury Air Mattress. It's a queen-size inflatable mattress designed to feel close to a real bed. The built-in pump inflates it quickly, and the raised height makes it comfortable to get on and off. The top layer has a soft, supportive feel that helps keep your body stable while you sleep. If you need a guest bed or want something comfortable for camping, this mattress works well. It stays firm through the night and doesn't sink like cheap air beds. The built-in pillow adds extra comfort. When you're done, it deflates fast and folds compactly for easy storage. WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. It's a lightweight vacuum cleaner designed for hard floors, carpets, and small spaces. The bagless system means no extra cost for replacement bags, and the tank empties quickly. The strong suction picks up dust, hair, and debris without effort. Since it's light, you can move it around the house easily and clean stairs without lugging a big machine. The filters are washable, which saves money over time. If your old vacuum is heavy or loses suction often, this one solves the problem with simple, reliable performance. A solid choice for everyday cleaning. AVID Power Drill Kit. It's a cordless drill perfect for home repairs, DIY projects, and small construction tasks. The 20-volt battery gives strong power, and the built-in LED light helps you see in dark corners. The variable speed trigger lets you work with precision, while the included bits give you everything you need to start right away. If you're putting together furniture, drilling holes, or tightening screws, this drill makes the job easier. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold, and charges quickly. A great starter tool for beginners, or a handy addition for anyone who does small home projects. Digital Coffee Maker Programmable. It's a programmable machine that lets you set a timer so your coffee starts brewing automatically. The washable filter basket saves money on paper filters and is easy to clean. The Sneak a Cup feature lets you pour a cup before the full pot finishes brewing. The water window shows exactly how much water you're adding, and the hot plate keeps your coffee warm. If you want a simple, dependable coffee maker for daily use, this one works well. It's easy to use, fast, and makes smooth coffee without complications. Shower Caddy 6-pack. It includes rust-proof adhesive shelves that stick to the wall without drilling. They hold soaps, shampoo bottles, razors, and more without falling. The large capacity design helps you organize your bathroom and keep everything within reach. If your shower area feels messy or crowded, these shelves solve that by giving extra storage space that installs in minutes. The adhesive is strong and works on most smooth surfaces. They're also easy to remove without damaging the wall. A great upgrade for bathrooms of any size. Heavy-duty garage hook set. It comes with 12 heavy-duty hooks designed to hold bikes, ladders, hoses, tools, and other garage items. The hooks have an anti-slip coating that keeps items in place and prevents scratches. They mount securely to the wall and help you organize your garage quickly. The included extension cord straps add even more storage options. If your garage feels cluttered or you want to free up floor space, these hooks make organizing simple. They're strong, reliable, and useful for almost any wall-mounted storage need. Shark AI Robot Vacuum with Self-Empty Base. It's a smart vacuum that uses LiDAR navigation to map your home and clean rooms efficiently. The XL self-empty base holds dust for weeks, so you don't have to empty it often. The HEPA system traps allergens, which is great for homes with pets. It picks up hair, dirt, and crumbs from carpets and hard floors without missing spots. You can control it through an app or with Alexa. If you're tired of daily sweeping or vacuuming, this robot cleans automatically and saves you time. It's powerful, hands-free, and ideal for busy homes.